Hi, this is B.V. Ramana. Welcome to B.V. Ramana English Grammar. In this video, I would like to share with you the topic Personal Pronouns Introduction. What are pronouns? The words which are used in the place of or instead of nouns to avoid the repetition of nouns are called pronouns. Nouns ని repeated గా వాడకుండా వాటి బదులుగా వాటి ప్లేస్లో వాడబడే పదాలకు మనం ప్రొనౌన్స్ అని సర్వనామాలని అంటాం. Let us explain this with some examples. Look at the example. Ramarao is my brother. Ramarao lives in Vijayawada. Ramarao is good. Ramarao works hard. In this way, the noun Ramarao is repeated 3 times. This repetition sometimes looks awkward and irritating. So, in order to avoid the repetition of the noun Ramarao, we can make use of he in the place of Ramarao, like this. Ramarao is my brother. Then in the second sentence, instead of repeating Ramarao, we have used he. He lives in Vijayawada. He is good. He works hard. In this way, the word he is used in the place of Ramarao to avoid repetition. So here he is called a pronoun. Here the point is that we use he for the persons belonging to male category. He అనేటువంటిది మగవాళ్ళకి మనం వాడతాం. Look at another example. Here Sridevi is my sister. Sridevi lives in Vijayawada. Sridevi is good. Sridevi works hard. Here Sridevi is repeated several times. As it appears to be irritating and awkward, instead of using the noun Sridevi several times, we can make use of she in the place of noun Sridevi like this. Sridevi is my sister. She lives in Vijayawada. She is good. She works hard. In this way, she here is called pronoun because it is used in the place of noun Sridevi to avoid repetition of the noun Sridevi. Here the point is that we use she for the persons belonging to female category. ఆడవాళ్ళకు మనం she అనేటువంటి pronoun ను వినియోగిస్తాం. Right, now let us take one more example. The cow is there. The cow is grazing in the field. The cow belongs to them. Here, the cow is repeated. In order to avoid the repetition, we may make use of it like this. The cow is there. It is grazing in the field. It belongs to them. Here, it is used in the place of the cow in order to avoid the repetition of the noun the cow. Look at the another example. The car is there. The car was bought last year. The car costs 15 lakhs. Here, the noun car is repeated. In order to avoid this repetition of the noun the car, we can make use of it in the place of the car, like this. The car is there. It was bought last year. It costs 15 lakhs. In this way, for animals and the cows, we may make use of the pronoun it. So we use it for a thing or an animal. Here is one more example. Sridevi and Bhudevi are my sisters. Sridevi and Bhudevi live in Vijayawada. Sridevi and Bhudevi are good. Sridevi and Bhudevi work hard. Here the names Sridevi and Bhudevi are repeated. In order to avoid this repetition, here we have used they in the place of Sridevi and Bhudevi. So they is used for more than one person. Look at the example. The cow and the horse are there. The cow and horse are grazing in the field. the cow and the horse belong to them. Here, the animals, the cow and the horse are repeated. In order to avoid this repetition, we may make use of the word they in the place of the cow and the horse, like this. So we use here they for more than one animal. You can find here one more example. The boys are there. The boys passed the test last year. The boys live in Visakhapatnam. Here, the plural noun, the boys, is repeated. In order to avoid the repetition of this plural noun, that is, the boys, we can make use of they like this. And also, you can find another example. The cows are there. The cows are grazing in the field. The cows belong to them. Here, the plural word, the plural noun, the cows, is repeated. In order to avoid the repetition of the plural noun, the cows, we may make use of they in the place of the plural word, the cows. So we can write like this. So from these examples, it is clear that we use they for plurals. You can find one more example. In this example, Sridevi and I are sisters. Here, along with the name Sridevi, the word I is repeated. In order to avoid the repetition of such words, in order to avoid the repetition of a noun and the word I, we make use of the word we in the place. So here, Sridevi and I are my sisters. We live in Vijayawada. We are good. We work hard will be the appropriate writing. Here, the point is that we use we when another noun plus the word IR in the sentence. Look at the example. Here, along with the noun, the word you is repeated. Whenever you is repeated, the word you is repeated along with the noun. To avoid such repetition, we can make use of you in that place, like this. So when we observe you along with other noun, then we make use of you only. Look at these two sentences. I am Vijay Lakshmi. Here the word I refers to the noun Vijay Lakshmi and the word you refers to the noun Jaisudha. So here I and you are called pronouns. So the words he, she, it, they, we, I, you are called pronouns. They are also called personal pronouns because these pronouns refer to persons. Where can we make use of these personal pronouns? Let us recapitulate the use of these pronouns. We use he for the names belonging to male category. మగవాళ్ళకు he వాడతాం. We use she for names belonging to females category. ఆడవాళ్ళకు she వాడతాం. We use it for names of a thing or an animal. Animal గాని thing గాని మనం it వాడతాం. We use they for more than one person, thing, animal or plurals. ఒకరికన్నా ఎక్కువగా ఉన్నటువంటి మనుషులకు కానీ థింగ్స్కి కానీ యానిమల్స్కి కానీ ప్లూరల్ వర్డ్స్కి కానీ మనం దే వాడతాం. వి యూజ్ వి వెన్ అదర్ నౌన్ ప్లస్ ఐ ఇస్ దేర్. వెనెవర్ అదర్ నౌన్తో పాటు ఐ కూడా ఉన్నట్లయితే మనము వాటి బదులుగా మనం వి అనేటువంటి ప్రణాన్ని వాడతాం. అలాగే వి యూజ్ యూ వెన్ వి ఫైండ్ యూ ప్లస్ అదర్ నౌన్స్. అదర్ నౌన్స్తో పాటు యూ కానీ మనకి వాక్యంలో కనిపించినట్లయితే మనం ప్రొనౌన్ని వీటి బదులుగా మనం యూఏ వాడతాం. అలాగే ఐ అండ్ యూ ఆర్ కాల్డ్ pronouns because they refer to persons. Here is an exercise. Underline the pronouns in the given sentences. Here are the sentences. You are required to underline the pronouns. You can find the answers for the questions. All the words marked in red ink are the pronouns. Here you can find one more exercise. Choose the appropriate pronouns for the underlined nouns from the bracket. In the bracket, we have given some pronouns and you have to choose the appropriate pronouns for the underlined nouns in the examples. Look at the exercise. Here are some more questions. Here you can find some more questions. Now let us see the answers. Right, friends, I hope this video is useful to you. If you think this video is useful to you, please subscribe to my channel tapping the subscribe button on YouTube, and also you should tap the bell icon on YouTube. Thank you very much for watching. Namaste.